Today, I am going to tell you about 7 incredible YouTube icons that are at the top of their game of the industry. So if you want to find out who those YouTubers are, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. So I know I'm always doing makeup, and every once in a while I love to do something a little bit different, but I still want it to relate to makeup. I decided to do this video to tell you about 7 amazing influencers right here on YouTube. And I'm talking about the ones that are at the top of the game when it has anything to do with the beauty industry. Now, these are not necessarily my favorites because, you know, that's not really fair. And I do watch and I do love them. After all, this is not a favorites video. This is the top beauty influencers of the industry. So guys, let's go ahead and bounce on into that video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to start from number 7 and I'm going backwards. Number 7. This girl is really just awesomely well loved. Her name is NikkiTutorials and I'm pretty sure y'all have heard of her. Now Nikki, as of right now, has got over 10 million subscribers on her YouTube channel. And even though she doesn't have her own makeup line, she has collabed with a few companies to put out some of her makeup. Some of it was good, some of it, there was a lot of talk, let's just say. Nikki did pair up with Ofra for that famous highlighter. Of course, the lippies. I mean, come on. When you look at NikkiTutorials, you think highlighters. I would think Nikki would come out with her own makeup line, and the first product would be a highlighter. Girl's always glowing. She has also paired up with Too Faced, if you remember the iconic NikkiTutorials palette. As of right now, Nikki is working with Maybelline. She is also on Maybelline's channel. Now you can find her a few days out of the month working over there on the Maybelline channel, testing out their makeup and showing you how it works. The channel is under Maybelline New York if you want to go check her out over there. Number 6, my gal, Michelle Phan. Now, Michelle Phan is the CEO, the owner of Ipsy. And I'm sure you've heard of Ipsy. If you haven't heard of Michelle, you have heard of Ipsy. Now, even though Michelle hasn't even posted a video on her YouTube channel in the last year, she is standing at a whopping over 8 million subscribers. It just seems like ever since she started Ipsy, she just hadn't really been into her YouTube. Word is Ipsy has made her well over $10 million. If you want to check her out, of course, her self-titled channel is Michelle Phan. Number 5, the lovely Patrick Starr. Now, I absolutely love Patrick. I mean, I just love his makeup techniques. He's so beautiful and he is so artistic, and it really shows through his work. Now, Patrick often collabs with MAC Cosmetics. Now, he has put out a couple of different collabs, quite a few products with MAC Cosmetics, including a spring collection, summer collection, and I'm waiting to see more because I'm sure there is. Now, Patrick is standing with over 4 million subs on his YouTube channel, but of course, he uploads quite regularly. But he is a very artistic person, and I'm super proud of him, and I'm happy he is where he is today because he deserves it. At number 4, we have Miss Toddy Westbrook. I have got to say, this is one of my most loved, my most favorite beauty gurus on YouTube. Now, I have been watching and been subscribed to Toddy for years and years and years. Right now, Toddy has got over 4 million subscribers on her channel. And you know, she did come out with her own makeup line. But it's not quite makeup, but it is beauty related. Halo, which is ran and operated and owned by Toddy herself. Now, these are beauty vitamins. Everybody made a big fuss about it, but I'm waiting. I'm pretty sure she'll be putting out some product here soon. Now, at number 3, we have the lovely Miss Candy Johnson. Again, guys, one of my all-time favorites. I've been subscribed to her for years, and I'm just so proud of her, and I'm just so happy to see her come so far. Now, you don't really hear a lot about Candy lately, so I'm hoping she'll get back in the swing of things. Now, Candy has got just over 3 million subscribers on her channel. She has collabed with Too Faced for her Candyland makeup line, which I thought was just awesome, and I cannot wait to see more from this girl. Now, she is a true artist. She could change the shape of her face with makeup. She could make herself look like Angelina Jolie, Barbie, just about anybody you can imagine. So she is very talented, and I am hoping that she starts rising back to the top because this girl is awesome. Guys, at number 2 is the amazing Jacqueline Hill. Of course, I couldn't do this list without putting her in. And with over 5 million subscribers on her channel, Miss Jacqueline has collabed quite a few times with Morphe Cosmetics or Morphe Brushes Cosmetics. Her first palette that she ever did is amazing. I use it every single day. There's never nothing in it that I can't use. I just absolutely love it. And now she's got her new Vault collection out. She's just an amazing person. She's an amazing artist. She has went through a few downfalls in her life, but who hasn't? I am so eager, and I can't wait, and I already know it because she is supposed to be opening up her own makeup line. Guys, now number 1. I'm just joking with you guys. I really wish. The number 1 spot goes to Mr. Jeffree Star. Now, Jeffree Star, again, being one of my favorites that I've been subscribed to for years, is just such an amazing person. And now with the new Shane Dawson documentary that he's doing on him, he's really starting to open up and show people who he really is. Now, a lot of people have got him tagged as evil, but I truly think that he has got a really genuine heart. He has over 9 million subscribers on his YouTube channel, which is honestly really, really deserved because he is an amazing artist. And of course, he has his own makeup line, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, JSC. He has put out so much makeup. There are lippies, there's eyeshadow palettes, highlighters. Now he's starting to come out with a new liquid highlighter. There is just so much stuff that I cannot name. He has got so much business sense. That's why he is at the number 1 spot. This is very well deserved. He has worked hard for everything that he has got, and he started from the very bottom. I think he is a truly amazing person. I cannot wait to see more stuff from him, and I love watching his videos, and I have to watch them every time they come on. I've got to go watch them. So guys, that is it for this video, and if I'm missing anybody in the list, how about put them down in the comments below? Who do you think deserves to be on this list? So if you enjoyed, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you next video. Bye, guys. What is it called?